What's the meaning of bred? Bred. Bred.
Bred. Bred. The word bred is the past tense and past participle form of the verb breed. It refers to the process of producing offspring through reproduction, typically involving animals or plants. When an animal is bred, it means that the mating process has occurred and offspring have been produced as a result. The term can also be used in a broader sense to refer to the cultivation or development of a particular trait or characteristic in a group of living organisms. Overall, the term bred describes the act of intentionally creating new life with specific desired qualities through controlled breeding and selection.